You wake up, but one part of your body stays asleep. No morning greeting, no sensation, no reflex that used to feel so natural. You think it's age? It's not. It's not desire fading. It's blood not reaching where it needs to. After 60, your body's natural nitric oxide drops nearly 50%, the one chemical that opens pelvic blood vessels, letting blood flow in and stay long enough for you to stand firm. The good news, no drugs needed, no blue pills. Just one morning meal, the right kind at the right time, can restart pelvic blood flow in days. In this video, you'll discover the meal that brings blood back to where you used to be in 7 to 10 days, the exact timing and pairings to avoid losing its power, and one healthy food that eaten at breakfast leaves your pelvic area cold and numb. Before we start, be honest. When do you feel that coldness down there most morning, noon, or evening? Type AM, PM, or evening. Knowing the when is the first step to recovery. Starting with meal number 3. But hold on, for number 1, it's what the U.S. military used in vitality diets for veterans over 60. Meal number 3. Oatmeal plus chia seeds, the duo that opens pelvic blood flow without pills. Thought oatmeal was just for your heart. For men over 60, a healthy heart isn't enough if blood doesn't flow where it matters. Erection reflexes fade. Oatmeal has natural arginine fueling your body to produce nitric oxide, the key to widening pelvic blood vessels. Chia seeds bring omega-3 soluble fiber and magnesium, reducing vessel inflammation and stabilizing morning blood flow. A 2020 University of Kentucky study showed men over 60 eating oatmeal with chia seeds every morning for 14 days, boosted genital blood flow by 22%, felt warmth in their lower abdomen, 61% reduced missing morning reflexes. How to do it right. Cook plain oatmeal with warm water, no sugar. Soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for 10 minutes, then mix in. Add a few blueberry slices or half a green banana for extra potassium and anti-inflammatory boost. Ever eaten oatmeal, but felt nothing down there? Write oats if you'll try it again this time for your masculine edge, not just your heart. Meal number 2, soft-boiled eggs, plus avocado slice, the breakfast that fuels testosterone and blood flow. You might eat enough, but if testosterone isn't produced or doesn't reach where it's needed, erections weaken year by year. That's why soft-boiled eggs and avocado are a perfect pair. Eggs deliver choline, vitamin D, and good cholesterol, the foundation for testosterone production. Avocado brings potassium, magnesium, and healthy fats, opening pelvic blood vessels and guiding hormones where they belong. A 2022 Tulane University study found men aged 60-75 eating 2 soft-boiled eggs and a quarter avocado daily for 21 days raised natural testosterone by 21%, reduced coldness in the lower abdomen, improved natural morning erections in 48% of participants. How to do it right. Boil eggs just done 6-7 minutes. No frying, pair with fresh unsalted avocado spread on whole grain toast if you like. Skip strong coffee, it can block vitamin D absorption. Eaten this before, but at the right time, for the right reason. Type EGG if you'll start again this time to bring testosterone back naturally every morning. Meal number 1, beet juice, plus ginger, the drink that sparks pelvic blood flow in 30 minutes. You wake up, move around, eat breakfast, but if blood doesn't flow down there, your body stays silent even if your mind is ready. NASA used beet nitrates to help older astronauts maintain pelvic blood flow in zero gravity, where blood pools in the wrong places. On Earth, that means beets can restore your blood flow, no drugs needed. Ginger, just a slice, stimulates pelvic nerves and boosts blood vessels vessel sensitivity. This duo doesn't just warm you up, it wakes the part of you thought was asleep. A 2018 University of Exeter study showed men over 60 drinking beet juice with ginger every morning increased genital blood flow by 29%. 63% saw morning erections return after 10 days, felt less pelvic coldness after just 3, 10, and 4 days. How to do it? Juice 1 medium fresh beet with a thin slice of fresh ginger. Drink 20 minutes before breakfast on an empty stomach. No lemon or orange acids destroy nitrates. Ever had a drink that made your lower abdomen feel truly warm? Type beet. If you'll try this tomorrow morning, not to be young, but to reclaim what's yours, you don't need drugs. No hiding blue pills in a drawer or feeling shame for not being you anymore. You just need blood to flow again. That warmth returning where you thought it was gone. The right meal at the right time with the belief your body's still there. A glass of beet juice with ginger, an avocado slice, a soft-boiled egg, a bowl of oatmeal with chia seeds. No fuss, no chemicals, no gimmicks, just you starting again from within. It might not change in one day, but by morning 4, morning 7, you might wake up and find it waking with you. No rush, no force, just blood flowing the way it's meant to. Drop a comment. Which will you try first? Oats, e.g., or beet? Where do you feel the warmth? First, hands, lower abdomen, or something deeper you can't name. If this video helps you understand your body again, hit subscribe. We're not offering promises. We're offering hope, science, and a path back to yourself. You're not alone. We're with you for you.